Hi guys, on this video I'm from the Al Nine Arch Jungle Inn Hotel, and I'm gonna show you the view from here. From here we can right away see the bridge, and there's a train approaching. So guys, this is the view from the hotel. So anybody is interested in looking at the train and the Nine Arches bridge, so you should book this place. It's Nine Arches Jungle Inn Hotel. So this is the Alla Odyssey special train which stops on the bridge itself. So this train stays for about 10 minutes, and people can take photos, get in, and they can take videos, photos. I don't think it's possible. And on this video, once the train moves away, I'm gonna show you the hotel as well. So I think the train is gonna stay for about 10 minutes, so I will show you the hotel from here. So this is the entrance to the hotel, and there's a footpath to the hotel. The footpath starts right from that end, where you can reach on a tuk-tuk, and from there onwards you will have to take this footpath to see the train. And I'm going to show you the rooms. So there is a small stairways, and when we go up, so the interior is very beautiful. I'm gonna show you that. Starting from the floor, and it's a different type of floor. It's wooden floor with different. There are two rooms actually here. I'm going to show you that also. This is one room and this is the other, and just two rooms. And once we reach here, these are the two rooms, and from this room, look at the view. It's just right away the bridge, nothing else. And this train is still here. This place is Nine Arches Jungle Inn. So this also has another name. That's why Al. So in different channels we have different names actually. Yeah, we also have another room down there. It's called the Wood Chalet. I will show you that as well. Yeah, so I'm gonna go down and show you Wood Chalet as well. So these rooms, maybe, yeah, I can show you in. Yes. So this is the room, and even from here you can see the train. Look at the bed. And yeah, I'm gonna show you the other room. Both the rooms look very similar. So this room I'm gonna show you from the front entrance. This room is not ready, guys. It's just after checkout, so this room is not ready, but both rooms look alike. So now I'm gonna show you the Wood Chalet. So from here we have the other two rooms up there, and this is the Wood Chalet. Look at this place. This is fully made out of wood, guys. So even from here we can get a much closer look at the train. So there is the tunnel, and yes, So this is the jungle and the bridge and the train, and this is Vuchalak, guys. So here you see Vuchalak. Guys, just after showing you the train from the hotel, I thought of getting down to the bridge. So this video I'm gonna take you without a cut, so that you can get an idea how far the bridge is from the hotel. That is the Nine Arches Jungle Inn Hotel. From here you can see the train. There are steps. So you can see the train from here. So the train is right here on the bridge. So I'm gonna go show you the train in a very close look. So there are people hiking. So this is the jungle, guys. On the other side is the jungle, and yeah, it took me less than 2 minutes to reach the bridge. So here is the train. So I have reached the bridge, guys. So I'm gonna do a cut and show you the train from here. So guys, this is the engine and the train. So the train is gonna move, guys. You hear that? The train is moving. That's about the Nine Arches bridge and the train and the hotel. So hope you guys like this short video, and make sure you subscribe and support. See you on another video. Bye.